Welcome to the English Storybox channel. Please subscribe and join our storytelling journey.
The Lost Puppy. Lily was a young girl. She lived in a small town. She loved animals very much. Her favorite animal was a dog. One sunny morning, Lily was walking to the park. The weather was beautiful. Birds were singing. Children were playing. Everyone looked happy. As Lily walked along the road, she heard a sound. She stopped. She looked around. Again she heard the sound. The sound came from behind a bush. Lily walked closer. There she saw a small puppy. The puppy was brown and white. It looked scared. It looked hungry. Its fur was dirty. Lily felt sorry for it. "Hello, little puppy," she said softly. The puppy looked at her. It wagged its tail. Lily sat down beside it. She gave it some water from her bottle. The puppy drank quickly. "You must be thirsty," Lily said. She looked around. There was no owner nearby. The puppy was alone. Lily wondered what to do. She could not leave it there. So she carefully picked it up. The puppy was small and light. Lily carried it home. When she arrived home, her mother was surprised. "Lily, where did you find that puppy?" she asked. Lily explained everything. Her mother listened carefully. Then she smiled. "You did a kind thing." They gave the puppy food. The puppy ate very fast. It was very hungry. After eating, it fell asleep. Lily watched it sleep. It looked peaceful. The next day, Lily wanted to find the owner. She made a sign. The sign said, "Found Puppy." She added a picture. Then she hung the sign near the park. She also asked her neighbors, but nobody knew the puppy. Days passed. The puppy stayed with Lily. She played with it every day. She gave it food and water. The puppy followed her everywhere. Soon they became friends. Lily named the puppy Max. Max was playful. Max was friendly. Max made everyone smile. One afternoon, Lily and Max were walking near the park. Suddenly, a woman ran toward them. The woman looked excited. She looked at Max. Then she started crying. "Buddy!" she shouted. The puppy barked loudly. It ran toward the woman. Its tail moved quickly. The woman hugged the puppy. She looked very happy. Lily realized something. This woman was the owner. The woman explained, "My puppy disappeared 2 weeks ago. I looked everywhere for him. I was very worried." Lily smiled. She was happy for them. But she also felt a little sad. She had grown to love Max. The woman thanked Lily many times. "You took care of my puppy. You are very kind." Lily smiled. "It was my pleasure." The woman gave Lily a small gift, but Lily shook her head. "No, thank you. I only wanted to help." The woman smiled. "You have a good heart." Then she left with her puppy. Lily watched them go. She felt a little lonely, but she knew she had done the right thing. That evening, her mother sat beside her. "Are you sad?" she asked. "A little," Lily replied. "I miss Max." Her mother smiled. "Kindness is not always easy, but helping others is important." Lily nodded. She understood. A few days later, something unexpected happened. There was a knock at the door. Lily opened it. The woman was standing there. Beside her was Max. The puppy barked happily. The woman smiled. "We live nearby. Max wanted to visit his friend." Lily laughed. She hugged the puppy. From that day, Lily visited Max often. They played together in the park. Everyone was happy. Lily learned an important lesson. Being kind can make the world better. Helping others brings happiness, and sometimes kindness brings new friendships too.